However, as you get older, 45, 48, closer to menopause, the levels of progesterone can be so low and women can start having symptoms way earlier in the cycle. Like I have some clients who will start having it cycle day 8, and they're not really worried about getting pregnant or having a fertility. So they actually will start using their progesterone before ovulation. And so it's a very customized approach. Like I said, I test, I don't guess, I look and see where the levels are, what do we need to do? And then it's very individualized. What are your desires? But if someone is wanting to have children in the future, giving progesterone as early as cycle day 8 doesn't change the quality of the eggs you have, but it just confuses the picture and confuses your body, because then it's getting this signal, oh, there's a high progesterone. Maybe I already ovulated, but I didn't ovulate. And so it just can confuse your body. So I really try not to do it unless it's necessary. Sometimes it's necessary, but it doesn't do any irreparable harm to your body. You get rid of it and your own ovaries kick right back.
So have you seen people with, let's say they're like right when they first get their period, they have a terrible headache.
Yeah.
Have you seen people put on some progesterone cream and then that headache kind of goes away?
Oh yeah, that can be a very quick remedy also if you get a headache. And also magnesium is huge at helping headaches because it's a muscle relaxant. And so migraines are caused by vascular spasm in the brain that decreases blood flow to certain areas, right? So if you can get some agents on board that are smooth muscle relaxers like magnesium, you can relax that vasculature and improve the headache. Caffeine actually increases blood flow into vascular tissues, including in the brain, and it can be an alleviator too. And it's a common ingredient in some of the over-the-counter migraine treatments.